Hello everyone, I'm Ying. I use my favorite flashcards to teach you the basic Chinese strokes. You will learn new characters and words along the way. Here is today's new stroke. Let's begin. Stroke 11. 横撇. 横撇 is a horizontal stroke with a diagonal stroke that moves from top left to the bottom left. The character here is 水, meaning water. It's a single component character. When you write this character, you will start from the middle and then move to 横撇 on the left, finish with 捺 on the right. It goes like this: 竖钩 横撇 撇 捺. How are you getting on? Here is the recap. Check out the new word, and I will see you next time.
冰水，冰水。